What an unforgettable night. The final whistle has blown, and an entire nation erupts in celebration. The stadium is filled with cheers, fireworks light up the sky, and golden confetti rains down from above. Every corner of the arena is alive with emotion. In the middle of it all stands Lamine Yamal, overwhelmed with joy. Tears of happiness fill his eyes as he looks around the stadium, taking in the moment he has dreamed about since childhood. The World Cup trophy shines under the bright stadium lights, representing years of hard work, sacrifice, and determination. As the celebrations continue, Lamine turns and embraces his brother. They hold each other tightly, smiling through tears, knowing how much this journey has meant to their family. They remember the countless hours spent playing football together, encouraging one another, and believing that one day they could witness a moment like this. The crowd chants Spain's name as teammates gather around them. Cameras capture the emotional embrace while millions of fans around the world celebrate alongside them. The joy is impossible to describe. It is more than winning a football tournament. It is the reward for years of dedication, discipline, and belief. Lamine raises the Golden World Cup trophy high into the air as fireworks explode across the night sky. His teammates cheer, wave their national flag, and celebrate together as one family. The stadium becomes a sea of red and gold, with supporters singing proudly from every stand. His brother smiles with pride, watching history unfold before his eyes. They exchange a few quiet words, remembering everyone who helped them along the way, their parents, coaches, teammates, and supporters who never stopped believing. For young football fans watching around the world, this celebration becomes a symbol of hope. It reminds them that dreams begin on small neighborhood pitches, in school playgrounds, and in backyard games. Great achievements are built through perseverance, humility, and the courage to keep going even during difficult times. As the trophy presentation continues, the players thank their supporters. They wave to the fans, take photos together, and enjoy every second of a night they will never forget. The music grows louder, the confetti continues to fall, and the celebration becomes one of the greatest moments in football history. The images of Lamine Yamal celebrating with his brother will be remembered as a powerful symbol of family, unity, and shared dreams. Long after the fireworks fade and the stadium lights grow dim, the memories of this incredible night will remain in the hearts of football fans everywhere. Congratulations to the players, the coaching staff, and every supporter who stood behind the team throughout the journey. Moments like these remind us why football is called the beautiful game. This is more than a celebration of victory. It is a celebration of passion, hard work, family, and the belief that dreams can come true. Long live the champions, and may the spirit of football continue to inspire generations to come.